eager and ready for anything all morning long. Whether you're drawing a truck or plow a field or if you're just plain busy with a multitude of household duties. And Wheaties do another big favor. Wheaties wrap all those vitamins up with a wonderful, sunny, toasty, nut-like flavor that barely hollers, give me some milk. Wheaties are crisp and munchy, fun to chew on. Tastes as good going down as it makes you feel when you get there. So if you're there for you, not for me, but for yourself. Hurry on down to the Wheaties tomorrow morning and just see for yourself how Wheaties at 7 can help at 11. Pending further investigation. I reported back to my captain, Stinson, up at headquarters. I told him I was pretty sure it was the hobo story checked out.
Yeah, it looks like it. But somebody killed Thompson.
Killed him and then drove him in his own car to where that rancher spotted him.
There wasn't anything on Thompson, huh?
No money, no papers, only these. Guess he ain't charged of receipts. Somebody went to an awful lot of trouble to clean him, but they overlooked these.
Mm-hmm.
On top, this looks like a plain case of murder with robbery as the motive. If that was it, why go to all the risk of being spotted in a car with Oklahoma plates? Why not just kill him and leave him?
I don't know, Jace. What's your thinking?
Well, Thompson was a traveling salesman, traveled a lot in a few days. Now, suppose the killer realized that with Thompson far enough away from the scene of the crime, we'd have a pretty tough time finding out just where the murder was committed.
Yeah, that could be. But why?
Well, maybe the killer couldn't leave the spot, so he did the next best thing. Took Thompson's body away. And maybe it wasn't just robbery.
Well, what else?
I don't know yet, but I got some more checking to do. It'll take maybe a couple of hours, and then I might have some answers.
Well, a couple of hours on the nose, Jace. You get anything new?
More dope on Thompson, Captain. He never carried much money. He was known to have picked up a hitchhiker, and I got a pretty good idea where he was killed. His gasoline receipts tell a fair story.
Yeah? How?
Well, this one, for example, dated the 15th day before he was killed, made out in Bannon. He got 16 gallons of gas there.
Well, did you ever think somebody else might have been using his credit card?
Yeah, but Thompson traveled that route pretty often. Chances are he was well known at the service stations.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, go on.